Do you sometimes feel like this wall that is falling apart, that your life is falling apart? Do you sometimes have that feeling? You want to grow, you want to start your own business, you want to escape your 9 to 5, and you just feel stuck and you have no motivation, and then you see no result. You just don't know what to do anymore, and then all you want to do is just give up. Actually, all you need is one ingredient. What is this one ingredient? Well, think about a recipe, right? You want to bake a cake. You need flour, and you need, well, starting with a bowl, and then flour, and then eggs, and then some sugar, and oh, I'm not a good cook at all. I do know that if you follow a recipe, you take all the ingredients, mix it in a ball, then you put that in the oven, and then 40 minutes later, ping, the oven goes, and the cake is ready. If you feel stuck, what you need is step by step this recipe. You need one crucial ingredient, which is clarity. Clarity to know the steps to take, clarity to know the recipe to your freedom lifestyle, to grow your business and live life on your terms. I don't want you to be that wall that is breaking and falling apart. Why? Because you don't see results? Because you don't see evidence? Well, here's the thing. Lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. What does that mean? You don't see the results today, but if you continue, you will see the results. And the results are unknown at this point, but that's okay, because if you continue following the ingredients with that clarity, then you will see the results. So I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to fall apart like the wall. I want you to book a call with me and have a conversation with me, because I'm a clarity coach. Why? Because I've been in the situation, stuck in a job, not knowing how to start and grow my business and what to do, and then there's a website and there's a course and there's a webinar, and maybe I should invest in this and in that, and I'm already exhausted just talking about it. So I don't want that for you. I want you to have a clear roadmap with the steps, and all you need is clarity. That ingredient, and you can't have that freedom. So what are you waiting for? Just book a call with me and let's discuss it.